So guys, it's Sarah Big 165, and I want to show you something. No, don't look at me. Okay, what I'm going to show you is, see this? Car keys. See that? It's a Toyota Tacoma. We just bought a Toyota Tacoma yesterday, and we traded the Scion TC. Now there's no more of that anymore. There we go, that's better. Okay, so, see it? It's nice. I love it. You got the bar on the front. You got the rims. Got this over here, black inside of it. You got the nice step. Got the back wheel. You got shocks. Got the back. You got the, let me see it, right there, the backup camera. Right there is the backup camera. Gosh, alright. This is the trunk of it. Wait. Alright. Now we're going into the inside. Oh, I don't even know why I did that. Try and close it. Get the keys out. Little wheels. Somebody in here just passed by. Well, I don't know. My brother knows him. Okay. That's how the keys with me all times. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Here's the inside. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Here's the steering wheel. Beautiful, beautiful. There's that. Just bought this yesterday. Remember, 2012. This car, brand new, absolute. All back seats. Sister. Just gonna jump in. See? Back seat. You trying to jump in? Okay. That was weird. I'm saying, so it's nice. Like, you got that. Okay. Okay, so sitting in Tacoma, 2012. Goes on 60. I'm at 20. There's that. There's that. So yeah. There's me inside her glasses. So, turn it on right now. Open the door. What you mean?
So they can hear it.
Hold it. You wanna go next to the exhaust and film?
No.
Open your door. Okay, about to turn it on. Yeah, boy, I'm about to rev it. It's a bad boy right there. I'm gonna close the car door. So, and it's completely full, basically. We got 101 miles on the car. Brand new. We drove it a lot. You know, we drove through the dirt. Because you know how they have the trucks in the dirt, some of them? Because it's like so full. Yeah. So they have so much cars at the Toyota dealer. So they had some in the dirt. They have a huge field. And they put cars on the dirt. And then we drove this car in there so we could look at a different car. But my dad didn't want that car, so we just got this car. Yeah, so the Scion TC's not here no more. We sold it. Traded it. Should I put on reverse so I control them?
No.
Why?
No.
Why?
Don't.
Why?
You don't know how to drive.
Yeah, I do. Put my foot on the brake and put on reverse.
No.
I wasn't gonna do it anyways. Because I don't want to mess with it. So yeah. It's on the radio station. Alright. Yeah, I like it personally. Alright. Peace.